A lot of you probably know that nobody's got more trolls than Billy. I got trolls running out my ears. But on the flip side, I got 3 million likes on YouTube. That's more than any paint and body guy on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. I got more likes than any of them because I'm the master. And I'll show you why my trolls have no clue what they're talking about. This is the original spoiler that came off of this 1969 Chevrolet Indianapolis 500 pace car, an original pace car. And this has the original stripe underneath this paint. So the stripe was there in 1969 on this car. And the stripe is wider, 14 and 9/16 on the driver's side, 14 and 11/16 on the passenger side, 14 and 5/8 on the driver's side, 14 and 7/8 on the passenger side. Now, anybody that knows about stripes knows that they look smaller the further they go on the car. So if you want them to look even, you need to make them wider. Like if you're standing where I'm standing, those stripes need to be wider at the end if you want them to look like they're even. So I've got 15 inches. I've got 15 inches. My stripes are crooked is what these guys are saying. From the top edge of the quarter panel, I've got 23 and 3/8 inches to the stripe inside. I've got 23 and 1/4 inch. So these guys can see an 1/8 inch difference. And looking at this on the internet, they can see that 1/8 inch difference. Okay, I've got 16 3/4 in the middle. I've got 16 3/4 in the middle. My stripes are 1/8 of an inch off. And I did them by eyeball. I ran this stripe with my yardstick to measure it where I had it straight, and then I eyeballed my outer stripes to make them look neat. I stood back and looked at it and made them look right. So maybe my stripe's not the same as the original factory stripe. Maybe the original factory stripe stayed the same width all the way from front to back, but I made mine wider so that when I'm standing out here looking at it, it can look like they're the same width all the way down. Because I know what I'm doing, and you guys don't know what I'm doing. You think you know what I'm doing, but you don't know what you're doing, so you have no clue what I'm doing. Put that in your pipe and smoke it.